What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, yeah? You won't go outside again, huh? You won't go outside and play in the snow. Oh, yeah? You said, well, you want? You will go play in the snow? Tell me. Tell me, Bailey. Tell me. Sit. You have to sit down. Oh, you look so cute, don't you? You're like, oh, please. Please. Just please take me outside. Let's look up by the snow. Oh, you're hurting me. Oh. Out taught in the eye. Don't smack me in the face. Say really, really nice. Tell me really, really nicely. I just want to go outside, Mommy. I just want to go outside. Bubby, want to go outside? He's just sitting here. I'm just sitting here chilling.